Hey guys, as you know, our Easter exclusive craft kits have dropped. I just wanted to take a quick close-up look of every single individual craft kit and show you guys up close what you get. Down here you'll see the made up product, and we do those so you guys can get like an idea of what it is. But I'm going to show you how you'll receive them. So for example, and all of these, once they're gone, we do not restock exclusive craft kits. So we no longer have Valentine's exclusives. We have St. Patrick's and Easter's. There's only a few St. Patty's kits left, which I might do a short video on that another time of the ones we have left. But these are the Easter ones. A lot of these are selling out. This is like one of our most popular between this and the big craft kit. These two are literally almost gone. So don't miss out. Easter's coming up. We still have a little while though, so you can get it and give them as gifts before it's too late. But for example, here is the tumbler charm. So this is what we, designed. And so this is the Easter tumbler charm. It's called Easter Fun. And this is what it looks like when you get it. So you get it and it's all in pieces, just a little kit. And you build it to create your own. So you can do the pattern like we have, or you can do it completely different, mix and match. Super easy to make. These beads slide on and off when you untwist this. Sometimes you have to get pliers to kind of push it on, give you a little extra strength when you're pushing them on. But I love the tumbler charms. So fun. They're so popular. And so this is what it looks like. So this is the finished product. It's everything you see in that kit. But this is how you'll receive it. So this one's called Easter Fun. Then we have Bunny Blast, which is our super cute cookie scribe. It's a 4-inch cookie scribe. I don't know why I'm not focusing today. Sorry. So this is what it looks like. It comes with the rhinestones. We definitely have to love and throwing in rhinestones on all of our kits. Cute Easter bead. The scribes all come with a point protector. And so this is a 4-inch scribe. This is what we came up with when you order. It comes in a bag like this. And everything you see here is in here. You just get to design it. These are probably one of the easiest kits to make. These 4 right here, easiest things ever. The tumbler charm's really easy, but these just slide on. Like super easy to slide on, all these kits. So this is the Bunny Blast scribe kit. Then we have My Favorite Peeps pen. Perfect for teachers because it says teaching my favorite peeps. Super cute. This is our little model we don't sell. Let's see. Sorry about the focus. This is what it looks like when you receive it. We are almost out of the pen bags. Soon we will no longer be giving out the pen bags with the pen kits. So get them before they're gone. And so this is what it looks like. This is how it comes. This is what you get. Everything's in there. And you build it yourself. Super easy. This is the My Favorite Peeps pen kit. And then we have the Bunny Tails Latte. This is a stir stick. It's like great for cocktails, stirring your drinks. I have like a little drink bar and I love having these on my drink bar, and I mix and match them for the holidays. And it just makes my drink bar that much funner. So here's what they look like. The stir stick kits and the scribe kits, as well as the wine stopper kits, they're literally exclusive to the holidays. We don't have any other kits online for these. So they're super exclusive. We only have like the wine stoppers for St. Patty's and Easter. So they're super exclusive. So this is the stir stick kit. This comes with everything you see to make one. It's extra long stir stick. These literally, I want to show you because some people say they don't know how I got my kit. How does it go? They like, the ball doesn't come off. No, the ball doesn't come off. All the beads when we put in stir stick kits are silicone because the silicone stretches to fit. You put it on this paddle part and it will stretch over the entire stir stick. It is a little bit tough, but you have to pull it on and it goes on perfect like that. So they do go on. The ball does not come off. You just push them up. I promise you, no matter how small the bead of silicone, it will go over this. Okay? So this is the stir stick kit. That's what it looks like when you order. And then we have the Hop Till We Drop kit, the wine stopper. So here's the wine stopper kit. These are the beads that you get in it. The cute wine stopper. This ball does twist off. I think that's why some people are confused about the stir sticks, because this one does. It can twist off it twists, or actually I don't know if this ball twists off. I lied. The ball doesn't twist off, but it twists off at the bottom. So just twist on like that. The post is a little bit thicker like the stir stick, so you do have to pull them up, but they're really easy to thread on. So this is the wine stopper Hop Till We Drop kit. I apologize, my camera's not wanting to focus today, but look how cute that is. We do sell individual wine stoppers, we do sell individual stir sticks, but these are exclusive kits for the Easter. And last but not least, our most popular selling thing right now is the Peeps Party craft kit. It will come covered in a bag, and it comes like this. So when you open it, it does come with extra dividers. We took them out, as you can see. There's some here and here. They will go here. So there is extra dividers. We took them out so we can put these in. This kit comes with, let's see, 1, 2, 5 focal beads, 14 silicone beads. So we've got the hexes, round ones, 4 acrylic beads. There's some more silicone. They range with the discs, the balls, and these other discs. Those are like 12 millimeters, and you have all these rhinestones. I believe there's like 10 in there. And then there is like 5 projects. So you can make a tumbler charm. You can get a bar rod keychain you can make. And then also 3 pens. So that's 5 crafts, and everything in this box is all you need to make all 5 of these and more. There is plenty of beads in here. I know you'll have extra, especially with the rhinestone spacers, unless you totally bling out the whole thing. But these kits are awesome because they're only $24.98 or something like that. And you get 5 crafts just in this one box. And it comes with a cute box. Comes just like you see. And you get all the focal beads. And we kind of coordinate everything. So like as you can see, like we kind of play off the beads. Kind of like we do with our craft kits. We play off everything. So everything will match, you know. So that's one thing I like about our craft kits, is we're not just throwing them together. We actually love making the craft kits, and we take time to piece everything together, from the beads, like I mean even the tumbler charm ring matches the stuff in here. So along with the beads, I love this rhinestone Easter bead, so cute. So these craft kits and all of our craft kits are so thought of, and we really take the time to piece everything together for you guys, so you love the kits you end up with. So endless possibilities with these craft kits. This is the last I was going to show you of the Easter craft kits. They're online, selling out. They are exclusive because when they're gone, we are not remaking these kits anymore. We used to keep tons of kits and just have them and remake them. These ones, holiday exclusives, we're making them from the holidays, and then when they're gone, they go away. And we'll have a whole new Easter kit next year. Whole new everything next year for each individual holiday. So these are all online now. Don't miss out. If you see something you love, they are selling very fast. And Easter is still a ways away to where you can buy the kit, get it in time, make it, give it to a teacher, a friend. We love these kits. Girls' night. These make for fun girls' nights. And other than the Easter one, we only have a few others that are in the craft kit section. So yeah, check them out online. This is our Easter exclusive collection, guys.